we'll just jump back to the main section here again, having a look at the guilds over here. You can see there's a marketing guild, a builders guild, an operators guild over here. All of these posts you can view without joining, but if you want to participate in that conversation, and note that this is the best place to get points for the early birds and for the upcoming points competitions, some alpha there. This is the place to do that, and in order to participate there, you have to join the guild in order to reply and post and so on. And so in order to do that, you can just click on these join here buttons. But there's one additional little trick that some of you are not seeing, and I know it's not obvious. And so if we just have a look here at this Marketers Guild, this is the group in order to join, and you have to click request right there. And it pops up with this form, and then right in there you can just type in your answer. Why do you want to join? I'm an experienced marketer, etc. You might say some more things there. You answer these other questions right in line, with whatever your answer is, and you would submit your request. And then within 24 to 48 hours, you're going to have that request approved. And then you can just jump right back into that Marketers Guild in this case. So we'll go over to if I click on the guilds, and now I click on the Marketing Guild, and now I can post a new topic because I've joined that guild, and off we go. How long does it take to be accepted? 24 to 48 hours. And as long as you have some kind of minimal idea about why it is that you are contributing to the Marketing Guild, why you want to join. Right at this point in the early stages, we're quite open with accepting. And however, we do want you to put something in there. So please do that. We'll have very minimal number of rejections. We really just want people to add meaningful content.